Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and it's currently 5:09. You can see. So now I'm creating this video for you guys for your humble request that create a video on auto text link. So let me give you the demo first. So here I have already created auto link text, and you can see this looks similar like GitHub source code, and you can see mention and other stuffs, and you also can visit my blog from this application for your own easy purpose. I have made it like that. So now let me go through this project and how we can create it on Sketchware. So for this project and for this tutorial I'm going to use Sketchware original. So I'm not going to use Sketchware professional. So it's really hard to create this kind of application in Sketchware original without having any libraries. So you can see I already made this project. It's called AutoLinkTextView, and I open this project and you can find only one linear, or not anything over there, only one linear. And in this mode block you'll find two different mode blocks, one for library AutoLink text view, and another one is just for adding the variable values. And now I'm going to show you on create activity, and in this activity I have added few blocks. So let me go through it. First I have added this block, this add source title block, and it basically does like it hide the back button from this action bar. And from here I started this tutorial. So first you need to create three string variables. So these others are not really important because I have made this for any further experiments, so you do not need to create those. Just create these three variables or string variables. First one is text for getting your whole text along with your URL mention or hashtag, and then get text, and get this text to your dialog box, even showing what what you are typing or what do you have, and the get value for showing the mode, which type of mode you are using. So in this first directly block I mentioned notification is my channel name, you already know, is equal to new is equal to autolink text view dot this, and I have created this add means the linear layout. Then I have add modes like hashtag, phone, URL, mail, and mention. Then I also add these colors for individual uh, text view or text fields. Then I have add customize or custom string variables together to create this auto link mode. And I have add this string everything like plain text to number with hashtag and everything. Then I have converted this thing to the text variable, and it automatically converted to this library AutoLink text. So you can see here is the full length of library, like you can change the color and default color and the length of the text with number variable and other things. So this full code is modified because there have been some issues regularly I faced during the work. So I have fixed those works and is finally ready to use. So you can see, so it's the full application you will find. So it's currently 5, you can see, and yeah, I caused my own dream. I already mentioned in my blog. So if you have some respect for my channel and for me, I'm not forcing you. You can donate my channel, and you can also subscribe my channel, because I really need some subscribers. I already mentioned before. And you will get the source code, and it will work on Sketch Original, Evolution, and Professional also. And that's all for this tutorial. I think it will help you. And the subscriber who also mentioned me, you will find his details about, and the tutorial details with full source code. So I have mentioned two different aspects, like Android Studio. You can also export it on Android Studio for furthering customization. I also mentioned GitHub link, and the project creator who created in GitHub the source code. And then I have mentioned three different links you can download from each of them: Mediafire, GP Share, and also Mega. So that's for the downloading thing, and I can show you running this application on Sketch Original. So you can see it's compiling and it's building this application. So that's all for this today or tonight. I don't know what to say. I'm really exhausted and tired, so I'm not going to close this video right now. So thank you guys, thank you for watching once again, and subscribe my channel if you're new, and please share this video, because you don't find this related, or this auto link text related video in any other channel. I guess not available. And that's all. And also share and comment your issues. You can find also email address in description. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. Peace.